how to fix the home button on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we are going to be discussing what are some of the possible ways we can hopefully fix if we're having issues with the home button on our Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're using a really old phone, because of course the later generation of today's 21st century phones does not come with a home button. So previously you used to have those thick buttons right at the bottom of your screen, but now everything is just on your touch screen. You can just use gestures to swipe through it. You can just come back by using a gesture like this, or maybe you can just exit to the home screen. So it depends upon what kind of issue you're having with in the first place. If you're talking about whenever you press the home button your button isn't responding at all, then that issue is actually your hardware issue, which I'm not going to cover in this video because I'm not a hardware technician. In that case, I just recommend you to take it to a nearby repair shop. But let's say that your home screen or your home button was working just fine and it's not working right away. In that case, there are a couple of things that you can do. The very first thing I'd recommend you do is, instead of using the home button on your settings app, you want to look for the option called gestures. So basically every Android phone this actually comes with a gesture feedback, right? So instead of using those native buttons, you have the option to switch to gestures. If I just tap on motions and gestures over here, you should be able to find all this. Or you can also simply type in navigation bar. So just type in navigation bar here, and then in my case my navigation bar is swipe gestures. Yours could be buttons, so you want to simply switch it to swipe gestures and then actually use your phone screen in that way. Other than that, as I recommended earlier, if it's the issue with the hardware, you just have to take it to a nearby repair shop. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.